Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Some of the common question people ask regarding the type 1 and type 2 diabetes, they ask how they will know that they have type 1 or type 2 diabetes. And if they have the type 2 diabetes in mostly in 90% cases is because of insulin resistance. So if they have type 2 diabetes, then their insulin, how much severe is their insulin resistance? So let's share the slide and show you.
Okay, so the first test is fasting insulin test. Basically, this test will cost you around 700 to 800 Indian rupees, and it will show you whether you have type 1 diabetes or type 2 diabetes. So if the value of the test is less than 2.5, then we can say that it is type 1 diabetes. The body lacks insulin, and if it is more than 2.5, then we can say that it is type 2 diabetes and we have plenty of insulin in the body, or we have insulin resistance in the body. So next is the how to calculate insulin resistance. So insulin resistance can be calculated by formula fasting blood sugar into fasting insulin level divided by 405. If the value is 0.5 to 1.49, then it means there is no insulin resistance. If the value is 1.5 to 2.5, then it means that there is moderate insulin resistance, and this can be rectified, or this can be treated within 3 to 6 months. And if the value is more than 2.6 or more, then it is a case of high insulin resistance, and it will take slightly more time, like more than 1 year or 2 years, to reverse the insulin resistance. Let us see some examples. So, in this case, the for this gentleman, fasting sugar is 100 and fasting insulin is 7. So, his insulin resistance is 100 into 7 divided by 4.5. So, for him, the value is 1.72. That means this guy has no insulin resistance. Let us take the next example. For this lady, she has fasting blood sugar of 120 and fasting insulin of 8. So insulin resistance is 120 into 8 divided by 405. That means 2.39. So that means she has very moderate insulin resistance, and it can be reversed within 3 to 6 months. Now we'll see another example. In this new example, this man has fasting blood sugar of 140 and fasting insulin of 15. So his insulin resistance is 5.18, which means that he has a severe insulin resistance. So it will take lot much time for him to reverse his insulin resistance. So he has to take more precaution, better diet, and more exercises, more running, more walking, more cycling to rectify this. Thank you for watching my video.